Hey guys, it's me, Miriam. So today, I'm gonna be showing you my slime. I'm sorry, I just closed it right now. I just went to Five Below and I just came back to our house. And when I just came home, I'm so happy that we got to 31 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that, and I just really want to hope that we can get to 45, because 45 subscribers I'm gonna be doing a room tour for you guys, because I was thinking of that, and I'm gonna be showing you my slime. So guys, this is the color. It's like a pink color. It's a nice pretty color. And look at that noise. Let's see fart with this. Like, hold on. I'm gonna grab mostly the bottom. Guys, hear that? Oh. You heard that? That was like bubbles. I wanna see if we can do a bubble, but like, we're gonna have to do it on my vanity, because it's gonna be sticking to the carpet and I don't want that. So my phone's on charge. Let me try. Hold on. Hold on. It's getting stuck to my charger. I'm just gonna put it right here. And then, oh no. Okay, now let's try to make a bubble, you guys. Let's try to make a bubble. Oh, I think we need more slime, so I'm gonna go get more. Let's get like this much. Let's mix these two together, and yeah, let's grab, and guys, we made some bubbles. Hear that? Guys, and also if you want to get this, these are at Five Below, the one next to the movie theater, I think. Yeah, it's like nearby my house, so if you go there, you're literally close to my house. That's all I can tell you, because that Five Below is really close to my house. I don't know if it's close to my house. I mean, yeah, there's a Five Below that's really close to my house. So, yes. So, bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. And let's get to 45 subscribers so I can do a room tour for you guys. Bye.